traditionally, the light bulbs we have been using, they waste 90% of the electrical energy into heat. And this is why we are pushing towards going to LEDs. And LEDs, or light emitting diodes, and this light that they are doing is basically in a very low power consumption, it's long lasting, and actually it's also very quick to switching on, switching off. This means that we can also think of many other applications, not only for general illumination, but also, for example, for medical applications or communications, etc.
LEDs will most likely dominate artificial lighting for home, industry, or automotive. Actually, LEDs contain materials that are hazardous, environmentally not friendly, and difficult to recycle. For finding alternative solutions, we have paying attention to nature.
We have fireflies, which are doing a bioluminescence, a chemical reaction, squids, which are using interference, or octopus, which are also using interference properties in order to change the color. And we have also the jellyfishes, for example, using fluorescent proteins.
The problem is that if we plan to use these proteins for optoelectronic applications, we have to stabilize them outside the physiological environment.
However, we have found a way to take these fluorescent proteins that we can see here in solution. We were able to stabilize them in a dry polymer, a plastic, like for example this one here. And these materials, we can keep the photoluminescence properties of these fluorescent proteins over years without any problem. The LEDs, what we did was to use them as a color filter, down convert this bright blue light from the LEDs into different colors, keeping the low power consumption, but also using sustainable materials.
We can envision more applications of the bio-LED concept in medical diagnosis as well as in photobiocatalysis. This new concept will boost research in the application of proteins to energy conversion processes, as well as in the development of new techniques for stabilization of the proteins outside the physiological environment. To tackle such a kind of complex problem like lighting using proteins in an LED, we need a multidisciplinary approach.
This is the way that we talk to each other and we mix together, thinking of one possibility, one application. This is what has been actually moving forward, this application.